Can't find an interesting occupation in class? Get a magic wand. Make your school supplies big and small, whatever you like. How? Watch it in our new video. Staying in class when your friends are on holidays is not fair, but there is nothing you can do with it. It's time for extra classes that is equally hard, both for teachers and students. Someone dreams about seaside and a vacation romance. Others dream about visiting a new amusement park and having fun every day. But we can't leave school until we retake all the tests we should. The girls invent different ways of entertaining themselves. Any school supplies are put into use. For example, you can create an amazing image using stickers. Mini stickers! Cut a small rectangle out of sticky tabs. Make sure to take the adhesive part. Cut a rectangle out of the back and attach the micro tabs to it in a row. Miss Smith has gotten hot in class. It's time for some fresh air. Let's have a class outdoors. Miss Smith arranges a freshman botany course in the park, but it appears to be so boring that the girls decide to run away unnoticed by the teacher. Miss Smith keeps on talking about plants, but all of a sudden, she finds out that her students have disappeared. Where are they? There is no way to hide from the heat either outdoors. So, we entertain ourselves with sharing our little secrets. Redhead's just got a tiny notepad ready to keep them. Take a spring out of a retractable pen. Mark the size of the spring on a pile of paper and mark holes with an awl near the coils. Cut out pages of the needed size and make little cuts at the edge up to the marked holes. Cut out a little piece of a notebook cover to make the mini notepad cover. Repeat the holes and cut the edge. Insert the spring into the cover and fasten the pages. The friends remember all the secrets and share them with each other, and they write them down into the mini notepad to remember. Miss Smith ambushes us from behind the bench. So that's what you're doing here. What's that? The handwriting is so small that I can't make it out. Are you gossiping about me? Don't worry, Miss Smith. These are just our private little secrets. At last, we've got a practical exercise. The girls should check whether the magic works. The goal is to increase an eraser. Ready, steady, Eraserus Enlargicus. A notebook folder. Nope, that's not what we need. Let's try again. Eraserus Gropus. Lip gloss. It's certainly nicer, but still far from the goal. Let's try Eraserus Giganticus. Cherry. Not bad, but not the right thing. Once again, and we've got the regular-sized eraser. Though we need a huge one. The last try. Eraserus Excellicus. It's worked! Hot glue a few sheets of extruded polystyrene foam one onto another. Cut off the edges at an angle, making them look like an eraser. Cut foam rubber sheets of needed colors into strips and attach them to the eraser. Add a logo. We boast about the completed exercise. The size of the eraser is perfectly gigantic. Miss Smith is happy with the success of her students. The eraser is incredibly enormous. It's time to have some rest from the classes. Miss Smith decides to entertain the girls. This is why she conjures a giant marker. I wonder how they are going to deal with it. Let's make a huge marker. Take 2 pieces of pipe. Find stuff of the appropriate size for the plug and the tip. Cut out a hole to fit the bottle on the bottom of a plastic cup. Put in the bottle. Cut a cardboard tube in half. Make a protruding part on one end. round the corners on the other. Trace the pipe on the extruded polystyrene foam. Cut out 3 identical circles. Cut the same circles out of a piece of plastic. Attach one plug to the cap and cover it with the plastic circle. Insert the rest of the plugs into the barrel. Hot glue the bottle detail to be the tip of the marker. Hot glue a plastic plug to the other end.